just got off work, but the wait is over. I got new wheels. The new tires are supposed to be coming in sometime in the morning. Hopefully they get here pretty early because I'm trying to get these on. Maybe I should just go ahead and show you guys what I got. Yeah, never mind. I think I'm gonna just continue this video in the morning. I'll see you guys till then. Alright, so it is the next morning. I'm gonna go ahead and go to the tire shop and hopefully they can get me in for this tire mount and balance. Alright, just dropped off the tires and the wheels to the tire shop. Said about an hour and they'll be ready, so see you guys when I go pick them up and I'll bring them in. I'm a little bit rusty at this. I haven't made a video in a long time. Guys, I just went to go pick up the wheels and they look so good. I cannot wait to throw these on. When I get home here in a bit, I'll show you what we're working with. Alright, so here is what we are working with. Work T7Rs in 18 by 10.5 plus 22. If I did my math correctly and all that, I went with two 55/35 tires. These are Atlas. I've heard they're pretty good for stretching and whatnot, so I decided to try them out. This setup though, I decided to go with a Meteor tire setup just because, see, we're like showing a little bit of lip, but it's not as bad as these over here. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna test fit these and see how they sit. My spacers haven't arrived yet. I ordered some 8mm spacers just to kind of keep that 10.5 plus 15 fitment. I'm gonna just throw these on, see how they fit, and do some ride height adjustments and whatnot. So let's go ahead and try these on. I'ma go ride the rave. I wanna look at this now today. I'ma go ride the rave. I'ma go ride the rave. I'ma go ride the rave. Thinking about counting that down today. I'ma go ride the rave. I'ma go ride. Got the first wheel on. As you can see, these are way less aggressive than the VSXXs. Mind you, this is in the air right now, so when we put a load on this, this is probably gonna tuck up there. I have no clue if this will clear. I do know that I'm gonna have to raise the car up like just a teeny bit. Let's throw the fronts on. Just got the front wheel off. Look at this tire. All chewed up from all the rubbing. I need stiffer springs. Alright, so first impressions. Since this is a plus 22 and those are plus 15, this is gonna sit further in, and I'm pretty sure I won't be able to drive this car today, at least. Just because that clearance back there is kind of tight, but I'm gonna try to lower the car, not lower it, put it on the ground, and see how much clearance we have. Otherwise, I'm gonna need to wait for those 8mm spacers, and then I'll adjust the coil, ride height, and all that. These fronts, the inner lip is sitting pretty close to the coilover as well, so probably going to need to wait for those 8mm spacers tomorrow morning, and then adjust from there. Keep you guys updated. Alright, update. I kind of lied. There is, hold on, let me adjust the exposure. There is, wait, never mind, I lied again. The clearance back here is pretty close, but I don't know. Might be able to drive it. Back is, or front is okay. I don't know. But this is how she's sitting. Kind of tucked. But this is how it's sitting. Yeah, let me know what you think. Should I keep it at this height or should I raise it up? Tomorrow I'm gonna raise it up anyway, so your opinion doesn't really matter, but yeah, this is what it looks like. Pretty clean. Okay, so I just threw the wheels on, raised it about like half an inch, maybe not even half, maybe like a quarter of an inch. I'm gonna take it out for a test drive now and see if it rubs or hits anything. Mind you, I still need the spacers for like the fronts. I don't know if I'm gonna run them in the back though. We'll see. But yeah, test drive time. It's nighttime now. I'm gonna go wash the car, kind of give you guys a walk around of what we're working with and just go over the specs and the tires and all that, because I know I'll get a lot of questions for that like usual. So yeah, let's go clean this up and I'll see you guys over there. Just made it to the car wash. We're gonna wash this up, and once it's all clean, I'll go ahead and go over all the specs and all the information you'll possibly ever need to get this fitted if you want. Alright, this car wash doesn't have a card reader, so I'm gonna go to a different one. Whack. Alright, different car wash. This one's a little bit old, but it still works. It works. Look how dirty it is though. Alright, anyways. Alright, quick walk around. Wheels, 18 by 10.5 plus 22 work T7Rs. These are in the MGM colorway, or easier, gunmetal, matte gunmetal. I really like how they look with the gunmetal color, the OEM gunmetal color on the Subaru. Flows pretty well. Suspension, BC Racing Extreme Lows. Camber wise, I have only made camber plates up front, maxed out. And in the rears, I have P2M rear uppers for camber. About -7 all around. And the tires are Atlas tires, 255 35s. Very minimal stretch on an 18 by 10.5. Mind you, my definition of minimal stretch is probably different from yours, but I'm used to running a 225 on a 10.5, and these are pretty minimal. But yeah, this is how the car is sitting. Really liking it. It's different. Been wanting to change up the look for a while now, and I'm glad I went with this choice. Let me know what you guys think. probably will be making more videos soon in the future. Just been really busy with life and work and all that. You guys know how it goes, but yeah, this is the car and I'm really liking it. And you know how I was talking about spacers earlier in the video? I'm kind of liking how it looks without the spacers, honestly. I want to hear what you guys think. Leave a comment if you guys like it, don't like it. Still have the VSXXs, don't worry. Still have those wheels and just wanted to try out something different. But yeah. Car's all shiny and clean. It's been a while since it has been like this. But really liking it. Really liking it.